Hey, John back to give you a quick overview of the latest updates in the Backtest IDE and just a general overview of how to use it. As per usual, we can change horizon or strategy holding periods pretty simply. We can also set up our market data. So let's add some market data here. So the first one is skew from the CBOE. Skew is the skew index, which measures the skewness, expected skewness or implied skewness of the next 30 days. This index here is the GSPC. That's the Yahoo code for the S&P 500, and the last one is the 13-week T-bill, US T-bill yield, also from Yahoo. And now we have a new checkbox which specifies yield, so it does some things in the background to process yields, just as any other piece of market data. So here we have the code as per usual, so forget about all these comments for the time being. So we get the skew data, so basically it's just referenced by the same ticker that we used above, and then we sample the skew index data monthly. We take a look back of 2 months, the current skew index level and the previous month's index level. Then we convert it into returns, and we take the first return from that data. So the first return is denoted by the 0th array element. If you know programming, it should be straightforward. So the data object contains all the inputs, and then the weight object contains all the outputs. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to get some sort of indicator through the history of data we have at our disposal, and then we are creating weights for the next period. So here we have the weight for the S&P 500, and it's the negative of whatever the change in skew is. Then another new little piece here is we have the 13-week T-bill yield index, and we weight it by the negative of the S&P 500 weight. So for example, if we invest 50% of our cash in the S&P 500, then we'll also calculate the return on that amount of money put into the 13-week T-bill yield index. Because it's 13 weeks and our horizon is 1 month or 4 weeks, we multiply by 4 and divide by 13 to calculate the right yield, and then we press backtest, and there we have it. So we have the sharp, skew, all that good stuff. And another little feature we have here as well is we can now download all the results into a CSV file. So now you can see all the returns that we've used, all the weights that we've created, and then finally the strategy return. And you can manipulate and analyze that in Excel. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.